So let us discuss with the third law of inheritance, that is the law of independent assortment. The law of independent assortment. So what does this law state? The alleles of two different gene pairs, will assort independently of one another during the gamete formation. Okay, there is no difficulty in this statement. This is quite easy to remember also, provided you understand what it is saying. So, the alleles of two different gene pairs will assort independently of one another during gamete formation. Okay. So, what does this mean? In order to understand this in an easy way, let us take up a simple example. Let us imagine that there are four girls sitting in a class. Two from section A named as or labeled as capital A and small a. These two girls are from the A section, and two girls are from the B section, capital B and small b. Okay, so all of them, they have come to a class and they are sitting together. Okay, so after the time is over, when they have to go out, there is every possibility that the capital A student can go with the capital B or the small b, because they are all friends. So they can go out during their interval, let us suppose, with any of the friends whomsoever they like. So here capital A can go with capital B, capital A can also go with small b, or small a can go with capital B, small a can go with small b. All the different combinations are possible. They can go in any way, whatever way they like, whomsoever they like. So the same thing happens during independent assortment. So when we are taking into consideration two different gene pairs, when we are taking into consideration two different gene pairs, all the alleles can assort independent of one another. Okay, the alleles of one gene pair can assort independent of the other alleles of the other gene pair. So this can be understood through a dihybrid cross. So what is a dihybrid cross? A cross between parents which will differ in two characters is what is called as a dihybrid cross. So here, I have taken an example of a pea plant. Okay, two parents are there. Okay, the male parent and the female parent, which differ with respect to two characters. One is the shape of the seed, that is round, or it can be wrinkled, and the other character is the color. Okay, the color of the seed, which is yellow and green. So already, from the previous videos, we know that round is dominant over wrinkled seed shape, and yellow seed color is dominant over the green color. Okay, so that all features we know. Whatever are the dominant characters, we represent it in capital letters, and the same alphabets we use for representing the recessive form also. Okay, so capital R, capital Y will be round yellow, round shape of the seed, yellow color of the seed, and small r, small y will be wrinkled, shape of the seed with green color. So when parents which are differing in two characters like this, when they are crossed together, what will happen? Okay, the alleles can all assort independently. The alleles of this gene pair can assort independently. Each gene pair, when you see, all the alleles can assort independently, and we can get different types of combinations like this. So when a cross is made, first we will get an F1, as you know. So out of the four alleles that are there, one from each of the parent, that is capital R, capital Y you get. From this parent you will get small r and small y, which we can write as capital R, capital Y and small y. Okay, so and the phenotype of this F1, how it will look like? It will be round and yellow, colored, round shape and yellow colored seed. So, further the crosses would be made to generate F2. Selfing F1 will give F2. So, selfing F1 means capital R, capital Y, small y will be crossed again with the same type of the plant. So, you get all the combinations. As you can see, we get capital R, capital Y, capital R, small capital Y, small y. These are the gametes that are obtained on the either side, the male and female side. So what this is indicating is The alleles of the gene pairs can assort independently of the other gene pair. The alleles of one gene, okay, can assort independently of the another gene that is there. Okay, so here the alleles that are present for round can assort independently of the yellow color that is there, and here also the same thing applies. So because of which all the different possible combinations are possible in the F2. So as you can see, we will write the gametes, and after that what we are doing to make this checkerboard, write the capital letters together. Okay, for convenience we will just write the capital letters together. Capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R, capital Y, and then small y. So whenever you are writing all the 4 alphabets, see that first you write the capital form, then you write the recessive form or the short form, so that what will happen, what is dominant, you can easily identify. So you will construct this checkerboard totally, and you see phenotypically what these plants will look like. So we already know that if capital R is present, it is a round seed. If capital Y is present, it is a yellow seed. So based on that, you just deduce the phenotypes of all these individuals. Okay, how many individuals are obtained in F2 in a dihybrid cross? 16 individuals are obtained. So okay, we can just check out all the phenotypes of all this, from which we can deduce the phenotypic ratio. Round yellow will be 9, okay, round green will be 3, wrinkled yellow will be 3, and wrinkled green will be 1. So the phenotypic ratio of the dihybrid cross will be 9:3:3:1. Okay, so the law of independent assortment can be clearly explained through this dihybrid cross. So this is very, very important from the examination point of view. For sure an essay question will be coming from this. So do practice this number of times. Wherever you get a doubt, I am there to help you out. So do post your doubts in the comments, so that I will clearly explain where you are getting stuck, and we will discuss whatever are your problems. Okay, I will help you out in all the ways. Okay, so hope you understood. There shouldn't be any problem in understanding. If at all any problems you face, okay, do post me in the comment section. Thank you.